Okay, so our tent is all set up, as you can see. I would say overall the process was fairly simple. Stout Tent does say on their website that setup takes 15 minutes and only requires one person. I will say for the most part, I feel like that you could definitely set it up with one person. There's one exception, and I don't know if it's just the size that we got, because we did get the biggest size that they offer, which is the 6-meter tent, which works out to be about 19.7 feet in diameter, and the center pole height is 11.4 feet. So that's pretty tall in the center. Having said that, I did need my son's help to get that pole up. Lifting up all that heavy canvas and trying to go up 11 feet was it was a bit difficult and it was heavy. So I don't think I could have put the center pole up without his help. However, everything else, yes, absolutely. It's super simple. It's honestly just as simple as just staking everything. The center pole is the only thing that actually, you know, lifts the whole tent up. So yeah, it is actually pretty simple. So I will do a more in-depth tour of the inside and outside of it and show you guys all the details of the tent. But for right now, I do have some crocheting to do. I've got more packing and cleaning and a lot of stuff to get done for today. So I'm gonna have to save that for another day, but I hope you enjoyed watching us set it up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.